Hey, I'm Mike from Stone Products Equipment Company, and today we're going to be talking about the Thermotron FX-25S. As you can see here, it's a much smaller unit than the full line that we normally offer, but so the throughput's going to be a little bit smaller. It's got two different ways that it works. So you can either run it as just a normal machine like this, where it's going to stack everything up using this this little drop-down elevator. I'll show you how it works right now, actually. Gives you a perfect, accurate fold every single time, and it drops right down. That elevator is going to continuously go down all the way until it completely fills up. Now, a good operator working like that will be able to do roughly 3,500 shirts per 8-hour shift. There's also another way to run this machine. So we're going to do that really, really fast. I'm just going to do a quick changeover. All right, so you see how that jumped up right there? All right, so what this is going to do is it's going to allow us to now bag the items. It's not going to bag it for you, but it is going to allow the machine to present the item for bagging. So we'll grab our shirt here. And then it presents it so that you can come through and just grab it with a bag, come right off. Now you're ready to go. That's the machine. The machine works off just simple 110-volt power and clean, dry, compressed air. It's very easy to use. It's on caster wheels, so you can move it around. This is perfect for any small shop or laundromat.